Why should we, the Zimbabwe that we want to build in this country will respect the democratic rights of each and every citizen. Those who are interested to associate themselves with the ZANU-PF sponsored extraordinary Congress of the MDC can go ahead. We will not destabilize them. It is their democratic right to associate and dissociate. This is a society we all desire to create in our country. We are not trying to create and procreate another dictatorship. We people must be free to do whatever they want. They must be free to do what we will not even care or listen to them. But ours is that we are going to pursue the path of liberating our people from the yokes of the interests of from the yokes of a dictator called Emmerson Mnangagwa. Pointing out, we say they are disengaging from any cooperation with ZANU-PF or anything that has anything to do with ZANU-PF. No. So the issue whether there will be a pullout or not will come out from the consultative process that we are going to have. 1, with the National Executive, 2, with the National Council, 3, with the organs of the party, 4, with the general supporters of our revolution in Zimbabwe. So specifically at the present moment is disengagement from anything to do with parliament, from anything that is associated with ZANU-PF. The final verdict will come from those consultations that I've told you.
Noted.
Thank you. What you have to understand is that we must be able to balance. We are victims of abuse by an illegitimate system. Not only ourselves, but the people of Zimbabwe have been subjects of abuse by Emmerson Mnangagwa's government since his commission of the military coup on the 17th of November 2017. We have had people who have been shot point blank in the streets. I witnessed a number of people who have been abused and killed from the 14th of January to the 17th of January 2019. After the citizen demonstrations that were called by the ZCTU and other civic society movements. We have been under abuse in parliament by Jacob Mudende, where he treated the MDCA Alliance as not a legitimate political organization in our country. We cannot continue tolerating the abuse of our people and ourselves. There are times when we say enough is enough. We have drawn the line in the sand to say we can no longer accept to be abused. We as a legitimate political organization in our country, we are citizens of our country, we are entitled to pursue our God-given rights for us to play politics in our motherland, for us to give an alternative views on how our government should be governed. So specifically whether MPs have been assisted, they will continue. Those who have got a call to assist our people will continue. Even myself, I will continue using my own personal resources to assist people in my own constituency. But what you have to understand is that in 2018, I contested against an MDCT candidate in my constituency. How would I be donated to MDCT of Thokozani Khupe today when she was a political competitor in 2018? Some of these things must be understood from the perspective that Emmerson Mnangagwa's agenda is to obliterate the forceful and major voice of the people in Zimbabwe, which is the MDCA Alliance. We will reject that. We will deal with him. We are not fools, and we are determined. And we are very serious with that.